DeFi Income Investor Update. We're now up 9.65% in the first 27 days with a very steady stock chart rise. Daily return was 1/3% to the downside. Expected weekly dividend is coming in at 1.15% after taxes and fees with a annualized return of 78.5%. This is while protecting shareholders' value. Current share price is at 1,096, and we're about to issue our first dividend, so that will dump all the way back down to 1,000 this Thursday. You're looking at $151 of income per $10,000 invested, paid out as a dividend every Thursday, which hits your bank account on Friday. In this table, which is included in the daily email update, which you can receive by clicking the link below to subscribe to our newsletter, shows our share price growing from $1,000 nice and slowly up to 1,096. Now again, once we issue the first dividend, which is coming out this week, that will dump back down to $1,000 flat. We had a record breaker in terms of total fees generated yesterday of $1,074, which represented a 1.58% return compared to the yield farm. The only time we've beat that record was on 11/2, where we had a $915 daily fees against a much smaller yield farm, resulting in a 2% gain on fees versus the farm. Now, the loss today was because we had an oddball move, and again, we barely lost 1/3%, but we essentially had Link go up while Ethereum was flat to slightly downish. So again, we're not worried about this, and this is exactly how the portfolio is supposed to behave. This chart shows you the range-bound moves on Ethereum, 20% total volatility over the last 27 days. We've had flat periods, we've had sharp up periods, we've had sharp down periods. And again, our strategy is agile, adapts, and creates steady profits while protecting capital. Link has been on a tear to the upside, up 26% since we got started, but again has had big down moves, sideways moves, and up moves. Currently, we have a hedge totaling $60,000 in notional value against a farm value of $68,000. We're using roughly 9% of our capital, leverage times 9, to accomplish this. In this table, we're looking at where the capital sits. We have $67,662 trading Link ETH on the Arbitrum network in Uniswap's decentralized exchange. And then we have $2,762 of collateral in Link, shorting it on GMX, and we have $3,885 shorting ETH on GMX. And again, that's where we had that tiny bit of loss. The daily fees relative to the drawdown on our downside hedge was about a break even today. Verify everything on the blockchain using DeBank, which again is in the email sent out daily, which you can subscribe to by clicking the link below. Now, is this too good to be true? What's the catch? We can only accept $5 million in capital currently to continue these high levels of returns. That's because there's limited amounts of trading volume and a certain amount of competition trying to earn those fees. If the bull market creates a lot more liquidity, that level could go up. Currently, we're capping investments at $5 million, and we're on the verge of landing some very large seven-figure deals now. So if you're interested, don't wait. Contact us now to learn how to invest. Disclaimer, investing is risky and you can lose money. Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you click the link below, you're going to go to a web page that looks just like this, where you can type in your name, email, and phone number to get started today. You'll get a free call from our Vice President, Dean Gallagher, to walk you through the details. And you could be getting your first dividend next week. So don't delay, click the link below, sign up for the free newsletter. You'll get all this content emailed to you on a daily basis so you can see exactly how the portfolio is performing all the way down to the nitty gritty. So get started now.